Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you something quick and useful. Did you know deleting a file on Windows doesn't always mean it's gone forever? When you delete something, Windows usually removes the file from the view, but parts of it can still remain on the drive until the space gets used. That's where this command comes in that I'll show you today. This command securely wipes the free space on your C drive. It does not delete your current files, but it overrides the empty space where old deleted files may still exist. This makes deleted files much harder to recover. It can take a long time and it may temporarily use a lot of storage while running. So let's go to command prompt, and the command is cipher C drive, press enter. So I recommend you close all the other programs, all the other applications while you're running this. This may take half an hour or so, and once it's done, you guys should notice a lot of free space on your C drive.